Step aside boring presentations. Presenter is the ultimate solution for dynamic, interactive meetings and trainings. Everything in the starter plan plus so much more. Want to rank ideas, test knowledge, brainstorm, make decisions, check the mood or just break the ice? Presenter's vast range of polling types has you covered. Q&A gets a major upgrade from the basics of starter plan. Make announcements, moderate questions, categorize them and cherry pick the ones that matter the most to your audience. And guess what? You can even share the controls with a colleague. Need feedback as soon as possible? Intuitive surveys with real-time results are at your service. Show your audience that you truly value every voice. Use gamified quizzes to captivate participants and boost retention. Learning has never been this fun or easy with our new AI quiz question creator to do all the heavy lifting for you. And for that extra dose of magic, inspire and energize your audience with simple branding and theming. But that's not all. Share and analyze stunning charts and deeper analytics. Your data will look so good, it'll make you want to frame it. And with seamless integrations into the tools you already use, elevating your presentations has never been easier. Rated #1 in the world for ease of use and support, we've got your back. So what are you waiting for? Upgrade to Presenter today.